Hello. How are you? Today, I'd like to delve into the fascinating topic of rosemary tea. This herbal beverage has gained considerable popularity not only in the United States but also worldwide, making it quite a trendy choice. In this discussion, I aim to explore the scientifically proven benefits of rosemary and shed light on who should consider incorporating it into their routine, how to use it effectively, and the optimal time for consumption. This video holds significant potential to positively impact your daily regimen with regards to rosemary. Before we dive in, I kindly request that you show your support by liking the video. Giving it a thumbs up won't cost you anything and it greatly helps strengthen our channel. Remember, this channel is not just mine, it's yours too. Moreover, while some viewers enjoy watching and liking our videos, they may not have subscribed to the channel yet. So, please don't forget to subscribe, it's completely free. Hey folks! Rosemary, that delightful aromatic herb, isn't it? Some folks even consider it a medicinal plant, but let's be real, it has been cherished for ages in teas and seasonings. The herb's exact origin remains a topic of debate, with most studies pointing to the Mediterranean region. However, for our video's purpose, let's set that aside. What really matters here is sharing the scientifically proven benefits amidst the myriad of claims and doses floating around. So, get ready with your trusty pen and paper, because we're about to dive right in. Indeed, rosemary possesses remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. Extensive studies have focused on two key acids found in rosemary, rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid. These acids offer assistance to individuals who incorporate rosemary into their routine for an extended period, particularly those dealing with joint pain, arthritis, and rheumatism. Additionally, they can provide relief for individuals experiencing recurrent headaches, commonly known as cephalia. The prolonged use of rosemary has demonstrated notable benefits in reducing inflammation in these specific areas. Another remarkable benefit associated with the aforementioned acids is their capacity to decrease insulin resistance. But what does that actually mean? Well, it assists in the process of taking the sugar present in your bloodstream and facilitating its transportation into the cells, ultimately leading to a reduction in your blood sugar levels. This mechanism plays a vital role in preventing type 2 diabetes and supporting individuals in the early stages of diabetes treatment. Moreover, it contributes to improved glycemic control, which is quite fascinating, wouldn't you agree? All of these effects can be directly attributed to the actions of these two acids. Another notable benefit that is often attributed to rosemary is its antimicrobial action. The exploration of this aspect began with interesting observations in regions like India, where the hot weather and limited refrigeration options necessitated alternative methods to prevent bacterial growth in food. While many initially believed rosemary was used solely for its aroma, it was later discovered that it indeed helped inhibit bacterial proliferation in food. Moreover, numerous studies have highlighted the benefits of rosemary for individuals dealing with recurrent urinary tract infections, which are particularly common in women. By using rosemary over a slightly extended period, individuals can experience these beneficial effects. Yet another intriguing benefit of rosemary is its potential anti-tumor action. However, it's crucial to approach this topic with caution and avoid oversimplifying statements such as claiming it's a surefire preventative measure against specific tumors. Medical studies tend to delve into more nuanced details. Nevertheless, there are indeed studies that have demonstrated the potential benefits of rosemary in the prevention of prostate cancer in men and breast cancer in women, thanks to the presence of phenolic compounds in the herb. Isn't that absolutely fascinating? Another exciting area of ongoing research revolves around the impact of rosemary on hair growth. Studies have revealed that rosemary can stimulate blood flow to the hair follicles, thereby promoting capillary circulation. But what's the underlying connection? It turns out that rosemary has an intriguing interaction in regulating the conversion of testosterone to dihydrotestosterone, DHT. This mechanism helps enhance blood flow to the hair follicles, ultimately contributing to improved hair growth. Another intriguing fact about rosemary is its effect on the hippocampus, a region of the brain involved in regulating emotions and memory. Consuming rosemary over a slightly extended period has been found to have stress-reducing and anxiety-managing properties. This suggests that rosemary may offer valuable support for individuals seeking to alleviate stress and promote a sense of calmness and well-being. The potential benefits of rosemary in the field of ophthalmology are also worth mentioning. While it's important to approach eye-related matters with caution, studies indicate that rosemary may have a positive impact on reducing the risk of macular degeneration and the development of cataracts, which can cause lens opacity. Rosemary seems to contribute to slowing down these processes, and ongoing research is being conducted to delve deeper into its potential in the field of ophthalmology. Now, let's delve into an area I've extensively explored: rosemary's connection with digestion. When it comes to digesting animal proteins like meats, milk, and eggs, rosemary proves to be particularly helpful. It is known to provide significant assistance to individuals who struggle with excessive burping, excessive gas, abdominal pain, and cramps. Interestingly, rosemary is also being mentioned in gynecological studies, where it shows promise in alleviating menstrual cramps and premenstrual tension experienced by women before their periods. These additional benefits further highlight the versatile nature of rosemary in supporting digestive health and gynecological well-being. I could certainly delve into more benefits of rosemary, but let's focus on these since they have been extensively studied. However, an important aspect to consider is the appropriate dosage, timing, and individuals who should exercise caution when using rosemary. Firstly, it is advisable to avoid consuming rosemary after 5:18 p.m. in North America, as it may potentially interfere with sleep, particularly the REM sleep and deep sleep cycles. Despite the common recommendation of having a cup of rosemary tea in the evening, it is not recommended due to its potential impact on sleep. The ideal timing for consumption is in the morning and afternoon, either before breakfast or before lunch, as suggested by some studies. It can also be consumed in the late morning or after lunch, during the afternoon. I always emphasize not exceeding 3 cups of rosemary tea per day, under any circumstances. Additionally, there have been inquiries regarding rosemary extract capsules, typically available in 100 mg doses. These capsules can be taken twice a day, either before breakfast and before lunch, or in the late morning and afternoon. However, it's crucial to ensure consumption is completed before 6 p.m. in North America to avoid potential interference with sleep. Now, here's an intriguing usage tip that may surprise you when it comes to rosemary tea. I strongly recommend opting for dried rosemary leaves or pre-packaged rosemary from reputable natural food stores or supermarkets, rather than using wild rosemary or rosemary given to you by someone else. This preference stems from the fact that wild rosemary can often carry fungi or even fecal residues from animals, which may not be effectively eliminated by hot water alone. To ensure a more sanitized experience, it's best to choose a source that undergoes proper processing. While it may require a slightly higher investment, it's important to prioritize safety. Fortunately, purchasing rosemary is generally affordable, so you can enjoy its benefits in a more secure manner by following this approach. When it comes to measuring rosemary for your tea, a tablespoon should be a heaping dessert spoon, falling between the small teaspoon and the large tablespoon. Begin by boiling around 200 milliliters of water and pouring it into a cup. Next, add the rosemary to the infusion. Cover the cup and allow it to steep for approximately 10 to 12 minutes, ensuring that all the beneficial properties are transferred to the water. You can enjoy 2 to 3 cups of rosemary tea per day, preferably in the morning and afternoon, but remember to avoid consuming it after 6 p.m. I strongly advise against the consumption of rosemary for pregnant women or women who are breastfeeding. Currently, there is insufficient scientific evidence to establish its safe use during these situations. It's always crucial to prioritize the well-being of both the mother and the child, and in the absence of reliable studies, it is best to err on the side of caution and avoid the consumption of rosemary in such cases. Thank you all for tuning in and exploring the incredible world of rosemary with me today. We've uncovered a range of scientifically proven benefits, from its anti-inflammatory properties to its potential impact on digestion, hair growth, stress reduction, and even ophthalmology. However, before we conclude, I want to emphasize a few important points. Remember to always adhere to the proper dosage of rosemary, whether it's through tea or extract capsules. Avoid consuming rosemary after 5:18 p.m. to prevent any potential sleep disturbances. When it comes to sourcing rosemary, it's best to opt for dried leaves or pre-packaged rosemary from trusted natural food stores or supermarkets. This ensures a more sanitized and safe experience, avoiding potential contamination from wild sources. Lastly, it's crucial to exercise caution if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Due to the lack of scientific studies in these areas, it's advisable to refrain from consuming rosemary during these times. I hope this video has provided valuable insights into the scientifically backed benefits of rosemary and how it can positively impact your daily routine. If you found this information useful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more enlightening content like this. Remember, your health and well-being are essential, so let's continue to explore the wonders of natural remedies together. Stay tuned for our next exciting video, and until then, take care and be well. Thank you for watching.